Y'all see that? Yeah. Yeah. Y'all get a taste. What's up, Katami crew? It's your boy Katami Poppy back with another mukbang. Your boy's here with something delicious. As you can see on my plate, I got me a bacon double cheeseburger, animal style fries on the side. This is all keto, y'all. Yo, before y'all kill me from Texas, look, I don't go to In-N-Out a lot, but when I do, this is exactly what I get. And I just made it keto so I can, enjoy foods like this. If this is your first time watching, my name is Katami Poppy, and I specialize and making keto delicious, like literally. All right, I recreate foods that you guys love: pizza, burgers, nachos, you name it, I can create it. And that's what I do over here. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you will never miss another Katami Poppy video. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I try to stay as consistent as possible, and I even try to drop some bonus videos, so you want to go ahead and turn on the notifications so you will never miss another video. With all that being said, y'all, I want y'all to go ahead and take a nice little look of what I got here. Y'all need to go ahead and just go ahead and take a look. Right here I got a keto bacon double cheeseburger with sharp cheddar. That's right. I got some jalapenos in there creeping. Can't even see it, but the pickles are down there below. And I got me some animal style keto fries. These were made with jicama. Okay. I got me a fork. Let's see if I'm going to use them today. We're going to go ahead and go in. Let me go ahead and get y'all a close up. I'm going to go ahead and get y'all into this right here. Let's go ahead and take a look. I made another burger. It was like a Whataburger style burger. Go ahead and hit the card up there if you guys want to see that. And also, if you guys want an in-depth how-to video on how I made this, go ahead and also hit that that card right over here or there. I don't know. I'm going to insert it. That way you can get a more easier way on how to make this burger right here that I just made. All right. So your boy is doing extra work. Go ahead and hit the like button if you like the extra work I'm putting in for y'all. And y'all go ahead and take a look at this. Y'all see that? Yeah. Yeah. Y'all get a taste. Low key. That was a thumbnail. Oh my God. This either looks like Wendy's or In-N-Out. Your boy went in. And you already know I use Wagyu. Some of y'all been talking about I'm not saying it right. Wagyu. Y'all stop killing me, man. Alright, look, we're about to go in for the first bite. Let's get it. Whoa! Oh my gosh, hold on. I was hoping this one's not gonna be messy. Succulent beef, Wagyu. Look, I'm warning you. If you go Wagyu, you ain't gonna ever choose another type of beef. Hold on. You ain't gonna choose another one because after you experience the juiciness of Wagyu, this is like, why would I go back to ground chuck? Who is Chuck? Oh, yeah. Let me go ahead and get into these fries right here. I'm over here tripping. I got these animal style jicama fries. Y'all be killing me, man. It's always gonna be Whataburger till I DIE. But I gotta, go ahead and creep a little bit. Hope that don't drop. Let's go ahead and get that one in. The best ever. If you guys are on keto, you're going to love this channel because I got so much in the bag. I got so much to deliver for you guys. You know, keto doesn't have to be boring, you know. Some of y'all might even talk about, oh, this is dirty keto. Look, you can call it what you want. I've lost over 50 pounds and kept the 50 pounds off for a minute. And eating foods like this has really helped me. And I really want to share this with y'all for real, for real. I really love doing burgers on this channel. You know, a lot of y'all struggle with cooking. So, you know, like I have a blog website. You can find my blog in the link in the description below, www.ketamippapi.com, just so you can find it. I put recipes there and instructions, but some of y'all are like more like visual learners, and I understand that. So go ahead and subscribe to my Keto Recipes channel, where I drop, you know, how-to videos, in-depth videos over there. That way you can get a better feel of how to cook, you know, the foods that I'm eating here, you know. I'll leave a link to that channel in the description below. Go follow your boy. To all my sports fans, I already know, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what happened today. Joe Burrow. Hey, look, I'm gonna keep it real. I love me some Joe Burrow. The Bengals might be my new bandwagon, low key. Look, it's Texans till I die. But Joe Burrow's that dude, man. How come we can't get a... We're not even talking about the Texans right now. Hey, child, we're going to get it together. The AFC is, like, legitimate right now. It's, like, really strong conference. It's like the goat leaves. Hold on. Let me take a sip real quick. Sipping on some keto. Arnold Palmer. American classic. You already know. Yes, sir. You know, so Tom Brady leaves, and, you know, there has to be a new kid on the block. So much has happened this year in the NFL, man. Ben Roethlisberger, he's gone after throwing his team under the bus. Like, you know, just talking about they ain't going to win. I mean, yeah, you know you wasn't going to beat the Chiefs, but you ain't got to say all that you said, bro. That wasn't cool on the real, man. Like, but you know, Patrick Mahomes comes in town. The Chiefs are the dominant threat. Them boys have been dominant for so long. You know what I'm saying? And here comes Joe Burrow on his second year off injury with Jamar Chase, Tyler Boyd and company, Joe Mixon. Some of y'all was sleeping on Mixon. You know what I'm saying? Now they're going to the Super Bowl. And now the Rams are back in the Super Bowl. Oh my God. It's a Matt Stafford year. Cooper Kupp, I know Deshaun Jackson went to leave, but dang, bro, you just exited like you had you had a chance to go to the Super Bowl. You know the Rams were there. If the Rams don't get it done this Super Bowl, it's all gonna break down. That's just how it is. I like both sides, but I'm gonna have to go with Joe Burrow and the Bengals. Jamar Chase and them boys. Have they ever won a championship, a Super Bowl? I don't even know. I don't think so. This might be it. Just Joe Burrow just looks like that dude. I like him a lot. Real cool dude. Maybe one day I'll go out there and see them boys play against my Texas. Buy a ticket or something. Let me go ahead and dig into this burger right quick. I appreciate all the love that y'all been showing me. Follow me on Instagram at Kitami_Poppy. Over there I get down with reels, the pictures. I respond to DMs. You know what I'm saying? Post recipe drops. The works. Everything's there. Go follow your boy over there. It's kicking, man. Like, I'm chill. Excuse me. I'm a good vibe. You know it's the vibe. If this is your first time watching me, ask me a question. Anything. Don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. Your boy is for real chill. And we can kick it for real and talk about whatever you want to talk about. Health-wise, sports-wise, anything. Y'all want to know more about me? Let me know. I'll make a couple videos about a little story about me, you know what I'm saying? If I say, you know what I'm saying, a lot, it's because of the Houston nature in me. This is how we talk out here. I'll try to clean up though, so y'all can hear my lingo. But yeah, it's crazy, man. Matt Stafford's first year with the Rams. The boys going to Super Bowl. Who knows, man? Who knows who might take it down? I think the Rams might take it down. You know how it is when they get multiple opportunities to go to the Super Bowl. You lose to Brady. Now you're back. Now, there were some mixed reports about if Brady's going to retire or not. So, I think he still is. I think he just wanted to announce it the way that he wanted to. So, we'll have to see. Your boy Kitami Poppy is finally done with Ozark, y'all. Oh my god. Look, I'm gonna give y'all what, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Go ahead and click off this video, or you can mute this video. Look, I was okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spoiler alert. Click off this video. Y'all, what happened at the last episode? Bro, oh my gosh. Javi is a fool with it. Dude is crazy. Look, when he took out Darlene and Wyatt, your boy was just like, I had my hands in the air. I was like, what else? Like, the writers of Ozark You guys are true geniuses. It was beautiful. I mean, this is only the first part of Ozark. I mean, this is just beautiful what you guys have done. Y'all guys have done created a masterpiece. So much has gone down in Ozark. You can kind of tell what the direction is going to happen, but I knew Donnelly was going to die. She done created way too many enemies. You know what I'm saying? And you know how that goes. It's always going to creep back up on you in the end. But I didn't know he was going to take out Wyatt like that. You know, that's the crazy part. I'll take a little sip real quick. Yeah, so you know what was real annoying though? I ain't gonna front. Why did Ruth come over there tripping, like crying and stuff, like you didn't know the stuff was about to happen? They gave y'all a fair warning in the first episode to cease and desist, but y'all didn't listen. Like Javi said, he gave y'all more than enough time to go ahead and just stop. Had enough with it. And she want to come up in there and start crying, come up in the house with a shotgun, threatening to kill me and stuff, like kill Marty. I mean, it's like, come on now. See, this is how you know you think the writers don't know that she's a kid and she wouldn't really understand that. That's why Ozark is really, really, really good as a show. So now I don't know how long we gotta wait. I think we gotta wait like a week or two for part 2 to come out, and then I'm thinking that to be honest, I don't even know what's gonna happen. So we're just gonna have to wait and find out to be because it's just too much gray area, in my opinion. We got a Snowfall also going to be coming out soon. So your boy's going to be, I have a whole, a lot of shows to be watching. So that's going to be cool. And I'm still going to be delivering content to you guys. I know you guys want to, love to see my beautiful face and me dropping, beautiful keto dishes. So if you guys like this video, I won't hold you out for too much longer. If you guys really liked this video, please take a few seconds and just like this video, subscribe if you can, and turn on the notifications bell. Your boy Kitami Poppy loves you guys. I'm trying to, create a community, and you guys are my OGs. If you're here with me right now, you guys are OGs, and I'm not going anywhere. So stick around and enjoy every video and moments with your boy Kitami Poppy. It goes down on this channel. Like I said before, I'm gonna have Keto Recipes linked down and below. If you guys want a more in-depth video of me cooking the foods that I cook, follow me on Instagram, follow me on my social media. You know where to find them. And as always, if you eat good, you're gonna look good. It's your boy Kitami Poppy signing out. Until next time, peace.